Annoying.
Alright, Gold, you go take care of it.
Oh, what's rainbow?
I'm cutting the go. I starved to death a while ago.
Okay, you can fit on this little tiny fire. I don't know what to do.
You have a minute. I will get off if you order me hot dogs.
Oh, there goes rainbow. It stinks in here.
Did you want to play dollhouse in
Wait, we can
here?
just.
Let me get
I'm
in
dead.
Ow!
There's a nice spa in there.
This is what you did to Jacko. I hope you're happy. He's dead.
No, please! This baby is so annoying. Rainbow, come get it.
Uh-oh.
Why did you just eat it?
Just eat your...
I don't... Lunar?
Wow. Farted on me, okay.
That's
So
fine.
is it?
Mm.
Can't
There's
let
a
them-
vent here?
What are they doing? What are they doing?
Poison
No,
in
no,
the
no, no.
bathroom! Help! Bathroom!
Oh,
No! We just started! Oh.
He killed me.
Oh.
Oh, I'm dead.
That was literally like 10 seconds. You guys are so bad.
Told you I would keep my eyes on you babies and you can't get away from me.
Yeah, I'm just having a drink.
I'm stinky. I need a bath.
I'm trash.
No.
Bad baby.
Feed! Hey! Oh no, I just fed you outlet covers. Oh, have a cookie instead. No.
Such a tight space. Where are they?
Have a candle.
Hop on my back. I'll bring you to the kitchen.
Oh, thank you, Gold. See you, Rainbow.
What's here?
Ow, Gold.
Oops, sorry. I guess my dog has diarrhea. Ouch, baby. Buddy, why did you feed my puppy? What is this? Go grab it.
Gold, why you?
I'm gonna eat soap. No! I'm gonna drink bleach.
Gold, come on, Gold, something.
You're never going to leave me.
Let me out. Rocco. I don't need fruit. I'm a baby. I need tons of nutrition. Like bleach.